So today I wanted to take you over and talk about what you're going to find over on WigShe's website. So a lot of options. When you're ordering a beautiful wig like this I just got, this is out of the box, just like this, with these curls. Look at that. The dimension is gorgeous. The color, everything about this is so beautiful. The density, I ordered a 120. So this is 120. And of course it looks a lot fuller on the ends because you get all of this full volume of curls down here. But look at this, how it just lays down close to the scalp with that. Look at that part line, the illusion of that part line. And can you check out that lace? Look at that. And I always love it when there's a little bit lighter right here around the face. And look at the roots. The roots are so well done, the way it just blends and melts into the blonde. This is called, let's go over to their website and let's check this out. So this is the wig 071. And you could go over there right now if you've got your laptop with you, and let's pull it up together. So this is wig 071, Ashy Blonde, Wavy, Medium, Human Hair, Swiss Lace. You've got the Swiss Lace wig. So we've got a lot of different options of that. And guess what? You can actually choose the hair color that you want in this wig with this density. So you have several different options, from this kind of ashy blonde to brunettes, red, a honey blonde. Yes, you can choose a color. Also the length. So you're going to be able to choose a 12-inch all the way up to a 24-inch. So you can go a little bit shorter because I have a 16, so shoulder length, and longer. So if you want that mermaid 24-inch, you can get it that way. Also the density. So I have the 120, but you can also get it thick, 150 if that's what you're looking for. You can choose high definition lace. Well, that's the only one. Lace color comes in is the high definition lace. It's so delicate and thin, it's going to match almost any complexion. Then you have your cap construction. So do you want just a lace front cap, or do you want the full lace cap? So there again is your option. And the sizes that it comes in average, large, or small. Which one do you need? And then the bleach knot, so you can get lightly bleached or fully bleached. Now all of those are going to be a certain range of cost when they customize this cap and this wig for you to get just the right color that you want, and length and cap size. It's all going to be chosen by you, and then they're going to make it all to your specification. So that's why I really love a WigShe wig, because of so many of the different options that you have. I know, so you have to go over and look at the WigShe website and look at wig 071 and check it out. And I will leave right down below me, right here, I'll leave you a discount code so you can pop that in, and always be checking them out, because you know, I hear they even have a Black Friday sale happening right now. So be sure and check that out too. It's a beautiful wig. I'm going to show you and turn around so that you can see the side. Remember, this is right out of the box. She's gorgeous, and I'm probably going to do another video so I can show you exactly what she looks like after I wash her and give her a different style perhaps. But right now, I'm loving it just the way it is. Thank you, WigShe. She's a gorgeous wig. And check out their website, wigshe.com.